Part 4. Measure different lines. We're going to focus on constructions, and we're first going to focus on measure lines. We use a ruler to measure the length of a line segment. Make sure one end of the line is at the 0 mark and read the number on the number at the other end, and also count the little marks, the millimeters, between the numbers for a more accurate answer. So if we look at example 5, measure the length. So take your ruler, put the one end at 0 exactly, and look there. Okay, this is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4. So it's less than 4. So count the little small marks. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will give me 3.8 centimeters or 38 millimeter. If I look at this one, put one end of the ruler on 0. And now look, there's 4 centimeters, 5, but it's a little bit more than 5. So it's 5.1, 5.2. So it's 5.2 centimeters or 52 millimeters. Okay, I copied some of these lines here. Okay, let's just mark it. So this is line A, this is line B, and this is line C, just to help me a little bit with the ruler. So let me show you how I'm going to use my ruler for these lines A, B, and C. Okay, let's take the ruler, move the ruler. Remember, put one end of the line on exactly 0. Okay, and now I'm just going to count. So if I look here, there's 4, there's 5, there's 5.5, but it's one more than 5.5. So that will give me, if I'm going to write it, it will be 5.6 centimeter, or if I write it in millimeters, it's going to be 56 millimeters. Okay, now let's look at number B. Now for number B, I cannot use the ruler like this. I must turn the ruler that it's parallel, exactly parallel with that line. So again, move it so that it's exactly on 0 on that line. And then I'm going to, there's 1, 2, 3, but it's a little bit less than 3. Can you see? One space less than 3. So that will give me an answer of 2, there's the 2 full, 0.9 centimeters, or I'm going to say 29 millimeters. Okay, and then for the final one, again, move your ruler, and now this time I'm going to move it vertical, exactly vertical. Let's just see if it's exactly vertical. Looks like that. And if I look at this answer, I'm going to say, okay, it's at 0. Can you see? You just want to move it a little. Sorry, it's a bit too much. There it's at 0. So if you look, 1 point is at 0. And then it looks like just one space more than 2. And that will be 2.1 centimeters or 21 millimeters. And this is how I use a ruler to measure lines.